Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I am Emma.
Hi, Emma, and a huge hello to all our listeners around the world. I am Alex. Welcome to Day 3.
Wow, Day 3 already. If you are listening to this right now, we are so proud of you. You are building a great habit.
Yes, 3 days in a row is fantastic. Keep going and do not stop. Your English is getting better every single day.
How are you doing today, Alex? Do you have your coffee?
Always. I have a big cup of hot black coffee. I am feeling very awake today. How about you, Emma? Are you drinking coffee too?
Actually, no. Today, I am drinking green tea. I wanted something a little different this morning. It is very warm and relaxing.
Green tea is very healthy. So, Emma, we had a great lesson on Day 1 about introducing ourselves, and on Day 2, we talked about jobs. What is our topic for Day 3?
Today, we are going to learn how to talk about where we live.
This is a great topic. When you make a new friend, they usually ask, "Where do you live?"
Exactly. It is very common small talk. And there are many different ways to answer this question. We can talk about the type of place we live in and the area we live in.
Okay, let's start with the area. Emma, where do you live? Do you live in a big city?
No, I do not. I live in a small town.
A small town? What is your small town like?
It is very quiet and peaceful. There are not many tall buildings. We have a lot of green trees, big parks, and friendly people. It is very relaxing.
That sounds beautiful.
What about you, Alex? Where do you live?
I live in a big city. It is very different from your town.
What is the city like?
Well, it is very busy and very noisy. There are many cars, buses, and tall buildings everywhere. There are always people walking on the street.
Do you like living in a big, noisy city?
Yes, I actually love it. As you know, I am a night owl. I like that the city never sleeps. There are always restaurants and shops open. There is always something fun to do.
That makes sense for you. I like to sleep early, so I prefer my quiet town. Okay, listeners, you can use these simple sentences too. You can say, I live in a small town, or I live in a big city.
Yes. If your city is big, you can also say it is very busy. If your town is small, you can say it is very quiet.
Now, let's talk about the type of home we live in. This is the next question people ask.
They ask, do you live in a house or an apartment?
Exactly. So, Alex, do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It is on the 4th floor of a big building, right in the city center.
Is your apartment big?
No, it is quite small. But I live alone, so it is perfect for me. I have a small kitchen, a bedroom, and a really nice living room. My living room has a big, soft sofa. It is where I watch movies and play video games.
That sounds great. It sounds very comfortable.
It is. What about you, Emma? Do you live in an apartment?
No, I live in a house.
Oh, a house. Is it a big house?
No, it is a small house, but it is very nice. And the best part is, I have a garden in the back.
A garden. You are so lucky. I would love to have a garden.
Yes, I love my garden so much. I have many green plants and colorful flowers. On Sunday mornings, I take my coffee outside and sit in the garden. My cat, Luna, loves to sleep in the grass.
Wow, that sounds like a dream. In my apartment, I only have a small balcony. But I like to stand on my balcony and look at the city lights at night.
Oh, that sounds lovely too. Everyone likes different things.
So, listeners, let's practice the vocabulary. You can say, I live in a house, or I live in an apartment.
You can also add some describing words, like Alex. You can say, I live in a small apartment. Or like me, you can say, I live in a house with a garden.
Okay, let's put the whole conversation together. Imagine we are talking at a coffee shop.
Great, let's practice. Hey, Alex, where do you live?
I live in a big city. It is very busy, but I love it. What about you, Emma?
I live in a small, quiet town.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house with a beautiful garden. What about you?
I live in a small apartment. It is on the 4th floor.
Perfect. That sounds really nice.
Yes. See, everyone, it is very simple to talk about your home in English. Just use short sentences.
Exactly. Do not try to make it complicated. When you use simple words, you speak with more confidence.
Okay. Now, it is time for our vocabulary highlight. We are going to teach you 2 great words to talk about your home.
The first word is neighborhood. Neighborhood. Neighborhood.
A neighborhood is the small area around your house or your apartment. It is the streets near you.
For example, you can say, I live in a very quiet neighborhood. Or, my neighborhood has a lot of trees and a park.
The second word is cozy. C-O-Z-Y. Cozy.
Cozy is a wonderful word. It means a place is comfortable, warm, and makes you feel relaxed.
My apartment is small, but it is very cozy. When it is raining outside, my living room feels very cozy.
Yes, we hope your home is very cozy too. Okay, everyone, it is time for our shadowing practice. Remember, this is the most important part of the challenge.
Yes, you must open your mouth and speak out loud. We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, repeat the sentence. Practice your pronunciation with us. Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. Where do you live?
Sentence number 2. I live in a big city.
Sentence number 3. I live in a small, quiet town.
Sentence number 4. I live in a cozy apartment.
Sentence number 5. I live in a house with a garden.
Sentence number 6. I really like my neighborhood.
Excellent job. Your pronunciation sounds wonderful. Keep it up.
Yes, you are doing a fantastic job. You should feel very proud of yourself today.
Yeah, and remember, speak out loud. Don't be shy.
You are doing great. Okay, now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 3.
We want to know all about where you live.
The question is, where do you live? Is it a house or an apartment? Is it a city or a town?
Yes, please go to the comments below and practice your writing. This is also a very important exercise.
Exactly. Very important. You can write, I live in a big city. I live in a small apartment. Or, I live in a quiet town. I live in a cozy house.
Yeah, just tell us about your home. And do not forget the most important part. Type day 3 completed at the end of your comment.
Yes, we want to see your 30-day streak growing. We're in this together. You are doing amazing.
Thank you so much for joining us for day 3 of the 30-day English Confidence Challenge. We are having so much fun with you.
If you are enjoying this challenge, please subscribe to Daily English Chats.
And please hit the like button. Share this video with a friend or a family member who is also learning English. Learning together is the best way.
We will be back tomorrow for day 4. Have a wonderful, cozy day in your neighborhood.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Emma.
Goodbye, Alex. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.